In this video, I will show you how to see all your apps on your Android smartphone. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you installed an app but it is not showing on home screen or it is hidden, the first thing you might want to do is reinstall the app. If it still does not work, try restarting your mobile device. However, if you just want to see all your apps on your Android smartphone, just open your phone settings. The next thing I want you to do is scroll down and look for App Info or Applications and Permissions. And then open it. In order to see all your apps, we just have to follow these easy steps. Just go to App Manager. And here, we will almost see all the apps installed in our phone. To completely see all the apps, tap the three dots on the upper right corner. And then click Show System. Now, every app will be showed, even your system applications. If none of those worked for you, you might want to install a new launcher for your phone. I recommend Nova to be your default launcher. What this does is it makes a new launcher for your phone. And that is how to see all your apps on your Android smartphone. Thank you for watching.